What's up YouTube? So Tarek is here and today I'm gonna be showing you guys some people surfing on a very huge and crazy waves. So let's get started and hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, let's get started. Let's see. California Awards biggest shore break. What the hell is this, bro? It's so freaking big. Jeez, bro. Oh shit. That fool like Phil. This one in Hawaii. Bro, my friend went to the beach and he like like went like in one of these waves and he got stitches. Jeez. The guy's like, yeah, I'm good. He did it. He did it. Nice, nice. Good job, man. This one in Ireland. Let's see. That's so freaking big. If I see this while I'm swimming, I'm like, gotta run to the shore. Like, not arguing. I'm not getting into this, bro. Like, what the hell? California. The big California. Curtis Bank. Let's see. Jeez. Like, it doesn't look scary, this one. Like, this one doesn't look as scary because, like, it did not, like, turn around. It just straight for now. That guy is almost falling. See, now it, like, flips. Jeez. Tasmania, the most beautiful. Ships turned bluff. What the hell? Oh, jeez. That's big, bro. Pretend like shark or something. Oh, fool. That fool fell inside. Trying to keep my language like clean. I don't know. France. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Look. Oh my god. Look at that guy like coming up. What the hell? Jeez. He's doing good, huh? Oh my god, where's that fool at? Nazaré, Portugal, the new spot. This looks so freaking scary. Like, it's like dark and all that. Jeez. And it's even like deep. Look at this, bro. Like, what the hell? Bro. The hell? What is that fool doing? It's like Superman or what? Jeez. Top 3. Oh, okay, okay. California, the most dangerous. Mavericks. Let's see. I wonder, like, what are these two people doing up there? Oh my god. That guy is trying, like, to balance. Oh, jeez. Oh, what happened? Tahiti, the perfect wave. Tihupu. What the hell? I. Oh, jeez. What the hell is that? That fool need like to be like fast in order not like to get into the wave. Oh, oh, jeez, that's so freaking fast. What the hell? Hawaii, Pihi, the mother of all waves. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm scared of Hawaii. Jeez, what the hell? This is like a mountain. There's like a helicopter. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead now, click the subscribe button so you get like notified every time I do like a new video. So go ahead and do it right now. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment something that I need like to do the next video, like suggestions and all of that. So thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Subscribe to my channel.